Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So remember when we planted some little baby tomatoes a long time ago and then we started separating them? Look how big this one got. So today we're going to be planting them in our little garden. So first what you're gonna do is you're kind of like, I have like a plastic box here, so I'm just gonna rip it kind of and dig a hole kind of. So I'm just gonna dig a hole. Here, let me put that down. I'm just gonna dig a hole. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna rip it up, kind of, and I'm just gonna kind of put the tomato in there. There we go. Now you're just gonna cover it up just like that, so it stays. Come on, stay. I'm just gonna put. So then once you're done that, I'm all dirty. You're gonna take one of these. Let me just put it here, and you're gonna put it like over the plant. Try not to kill it. Okay, there. Then you're gonna just water it a little bit. Come on, flamingo. There. Okay, that's good. And now let's do it again. Oh my gosh, guys, look how big the tomatoes got. They are like so big. Like this one is almost as tall as me. So if you see like these things here, let me find one. Here. If you see one of those, you want to pull it off. And if you see any like flowers like this one, that means a tomato is coming. And probably next month we can probably eat some tomatoes because I saw one. Look at right here. Now they're green. They're gonna start off green, then they're gonna turn like this yellowy orangey color, and then they're gonna turn red, and then that means you can eat them. Okay, hi friends, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So remember when we planted all of those little tiny baby seeds? You couldn't even see them out of the pot. And now, look at them. They're like almost as tall as, like they're literally taller than me. So as you can see, you gotta water them every day, obviously. And so look at this beautiful red tomato. Once they're fully red, then you can pick them and eat them. So I'm gonna pick this one because it is fully red. It smells so good. That's super gum. Okay, well, bye friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, so hard that maybe your tomatoes will grow faster. See you guys next time. Bye.